Today I'm starting my Versus challenge, and what I'm doing is I'm running to the store or to a restaurant and I'm picking up an item. And as you can see, I have Ruffles here. It's the party size. It's original 13-ounce bag. Okay, and it was $4.50 for that bag, I believe. So then for $1.97, I picked up this bag. This one is 8 ounces, so there's only a 5-ounce difference between, but we have a $3 difference in price. So money-wise, cost-wise, I'm thinking your best bet is to give these off-brand a try and see if you like them. Because I mean, some people will like them, some people won't. You just can't go into eating this chip saying, it's going to taste just like a Ruffles. No, it didn't. So, you know, you put it in your mind that you think that okay, that's a Ruffle chip, so I'll just eat it because it's a Ruffle. No, it's different. Well, I don't know if there's a difference or not, but I'm about to tell you. Ruffle bag. Open them up. Fill the bag to here. That's it, just here. All this wasted space. Okay, these already have a smell difference. I can smell the difference when I open this bag compared to that bag. But this one, it actually has probably more chips in it than the other one does. And it was $3 cheaper. Alright, so now you want to know, are they good? Well, duh. We're going to find out. Okay. So, from the Ruffles bag, take out some chips. Now I'll go over here. Oh yeah, the look is different. Let me show you. I'm going to put some out here. Okay. This is the Ruffle chip. This is the Walmart chip. There's more color to these. These are darker colors compared to that. When you look inside the bag, so you can see the darker there than here. So the Ruffles are the lighter chips. Walmart are the darker chips. So, alright, we're going to go one at a time, okay? Ruffles first. It's got a good crunch. Just the right amount of salt. Yeah. Okay. Ruffles are good. Walmart. Now, I'm not going to sit here and think, that's going to taste like Walmart. Or Ruffles. Or, that's not going to taste anything like it. I'm putting in, I might like this. You never know. But, I do love my Coke Zero. It's so much better than the diet. No aftertaste. And matter of fact, here's a story. This past weekend, my mom, she drinks Diet Pepsi. So coming down here to Disney is a Coke territory. So all you get is Coke Zero. So she got a Diet Coke. I got a Coke Zero. She tasted my Coke Zero. Went to get a refill. She's like, can you make that Coke Zero? You're welcome, Mom. If it wasn't for me, you wouldn't know Coke Zero was so good. But she doesn't ask either, so what can you say? Alright, so the Walmart chip. Back to it. It's a lighter crunch. And the texture. it has the taste of a over-baked chip. Tell you the truth. It does have that over-baked chip taste. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Walmart chip. And oh yeah, let me introduce you to our little friend. Mr. Helluva Good French onion. We would get back home, it was called Larson's dip. But those were like at the Circle K's that we had back home or stuff like that. Well, he loved Helluva Good cheese. I get him the sharp cheese, the block, all the time. He loves it. So when I seen that they had the Helluva Good, I said, let's give it a try. He likes it. Mikey likes it. So I tried it and I like it too. So thank you, Helluva Good, for making a hell of a dip. Oh, all right. So anyways, back to the chip business. This is Walmart chip. I hate to talk I hate to talk when I have my mouth full or I'm chewing still. Sorry, I don't want to be rude. Alright. This one is the Ruffles because it's a lighter chip. It's so light it broke. It broke in there. That's my happy dance. My happy dance. Alright. Final decision on this all. I got it right here now. Ruffles is good. Great value, not so good. Helluva Good dip. Helluva Good. Ruffles with the Helluva Good. Alright, you get the happy dance. The Walmart Great Value chip with the Helluva Good. If I was on a tight budget and I really wanted chips, but I only had $2 for chips, I would get the Walmart brand as long as I got a Helluva Good dip here. So I think I'm going to like this new gig because I get to eat. And everybody knows your girl likes to eat. So this versus, I got to think of a name for this segment. Versus segment, that just sounds too plain. If you know what I could name this segment, the verses, comment down below. Tell me down below what you think it should be. And if I pick your suggestion, you get a shout out. You get a shout out. Now if you see me out and about, stop me, okay? Trust me, I'm not busy. We had Janice stop us at Magic Kingdom last Monday. She seemed boo. She was like, I know you. You're from Yammi'S. You're boo. He was like, yeah. Asked where I was, and of course I was coming towards him. So I got to say hi to her, which it was really nice to meet you. And my mom was like, did you know her? And I'm like, no. And I had to explain why. It just never hits her mind that I do YouTube channels. I might know people. People might know me that I don't know. So it shouldn't be a surprise. I like not shout outs. I like meet and greets. So that's another thing we can do, is a meet and greet at the park, outside the park, on property, wherever. We will figure out a place that we can do a meet and greet and just share, talk, have fun, you know, that kind of a thing. I think that's what we should do. And I'm going to start giving more videos. Feeling better gets me moving more. My creativity is flowing. Don't forget, any recipe suggestions, comment down below on that too, because I would love to hear what you guys want. Alright, I'm talking your ear off too much, and I can't stop eating the chips. Oh, sorry, but I gotta go.